In this chapter, we will learn to find the distance between 2 points. Last year, we have learned every point, say A, has got 2 coordinates. So let's write out the coordinates. One is the x coordinate, which we'll call x1, and then we have the y coordinate, which we'll call y1. If we have another point, say B, B2 will have its own coordinate. Here we'll call it x2, and the y coordinate we will call y2. Right, now we will learn how to find the distance between this AB. Now there is a formula which can be derived by Pythagoras theorem. Now the distance between AB is a direct formula, and it goes this way. It is x1 minus x2. It goes this way. It is first x1 minus x2 the whole square, plus we have y1 minus y2 the whole square. Now in this sum we have 2 points. This point is A and this point is B. So for A, the coordinates are 2, x coordinate is 2, and the y coordinate is 3. So we have x1 equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 3. For the other point, next point B, again we have 2 coordinates. The x coordinate here is 4 and the y coordinate here is 1. So we have x2 equal to 4 and y2 equal to 1. Now to find the distance between these 2 points, we need to use the distance formula. And we know that we have written the distance formula here, equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So now to find distance AB, let's put in the values. What is our x1? Is x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Now if you look at x1, x1 is 2 and x2 is 4. So x1 minus x2 is 2 minus 4. Now for y, y1 is 3 and y2 is 1. So y1 minus y2 is 3 minus 1. So this is equal to, now again you have to find this, square root of, this is one bracket and this is the other bracket. Now we know 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So here distance AB, or AB, we'll just write AB equal to minus 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4 again. So that would be under root 8 units, and that is 2 under root 2 units is the distance between these two, between AB. I think our A was somewhere here, 2, 3. 2, 3 means here, this is point A, and 4, 1, this is point B. And we have found the distance between them, and that distance is coming to root 2. And the next we have to find the distance between the points minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So we call this as point A and this point B. So our point A is minus 5. That means our x is minus 5 and the y is 7. So let me write that one. So my x1 is minus 5 and my y1 is 7. That's one point. Now for point B, for B here, we know this is our x and this is our y. So for point B, our point B was minus 1 So here we have noted what is x1 and x2 in each case for a and b, and the formula goes x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So the distance AB will be equal to, let's look up here, this is x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So what is our x1? This is our x1 and this is our x2. So let's just put it there. Minus 5 minus of minus 1, that's x1 minus x2, and y1 minus y2. This is our y1 and this is our y2. So that will be 7 minus 3. So AB is equal to x1 minus x2 we write here and this we write here, right? So here it is minus 5. Now we know minus into minus is plus. So this will become plus 1 the whole square, and this 7 minus 3 we know is 4. So AB equals to under root, that is minus 4 the whole square, it is square here, plus here it is again 4 square. So our AB equal to under root, this comes 16 plus another 16. So my AB is now under root 32, and that is 4 root 2 units. For the next sum, third sum, we need to find the distance between the points A comma B and minus A minus B. So these are my 2 points, and I know this must be my x1, this will be my x2, this will be my y1, and this will be my y2. So I have point A and I have point B. For my point A, I will put here x1, that is A is my x1, A, and then we have here B, this is B, and for the next one you have x2 is minus A, and then y2 will be minus B. And we use the formula distance equal to distance AB equal to under root x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So let's now put the formula here, x1 minus x2 the whole square, y1 minus y2 the whole square. So my x1, here we see x1 is A, minus our x2 is this, so that is minus of minus A. Now let's see what's y1 minus y2. This is my y1, B, my y2 is this, minus B, so minus of minus B. I think we should have written here our x1 was A, our x2 was minus A, y1 is B, and y2 is minus B. Let's continue. Here we get x square, y1 minus y2 the whole square. So A, here minus into minus is plus, so I'll put here plus A, and here I have B, minus into minus plus, plus B. So this is again under root square plus x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. So A plus A is 2A and B plus B is 2B. So So this is now under root. Here I have 4a square plus 4b square. I will take my 4 common out. Yeah, then we have, we take 4 common out, and then we have in bracket a square plus b square, and then the 4 will come out of the Ncert sign, radical sign is 2. What remains inside is a square plus b square.